Old Hoosier here. I started a video channel about 10 years ago, maybe 15 years ago, where I'm showing how to do things, like, I don't know, I think I built some sort of winterization for a jet ski. I showed how to fix a hot water heater. Anyway, I'm going to go back to that. And anyway, so I have it's a small pontoon, 12-foot pontoon, and on that pontoon I have trolling motor, and it's down a hill. It's really a long way to walk with a really heavy car battery. So I thought, well, wonder if I could use a Dewalt battery. So I found this kit. It's 18, 20 volt to 12 volts. So it's got a step down transformer built onto it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount to this board, and then I'm going to put it in here as a way to cover the battery system. So something simple that you can do, and let's get into it. I did get some stainless screws to nail these down to the board. So be careful not to over torque these bolts. So if you're using one of these guys, do it real slowly, and then wait to the end to torque them down with a regular screwdriver. Another pro tip, I don't know if you can see this crack forming. I didn't drill pilot holes, so I see this is cracking, so drill a pilot hole first. So I got one of these Romex, for Romex wiring, to hold the wiring down. I put over this connector. Comes with this connector, so I thought I would just utilize it and use some 14 Romex. I got two carriage bolts and nuts at Lowe's, and my plan is to drill a hole, put these up through here, and make the place where the eyelets go from the trolling motor. I have existing wing nuts that I got from Amazon. Let's see. There's a barcode for those. 5/16 by 18. And the carriage bolts are also 5/16 by 18. I'm going to use a quarter drill bit so that the bolt should fit through there. Okay, there it is. I did have to waller out the hole a little bit and use this to basically screw down the carriage bolts until they went in there. And then I just kind of tapped them with a hammer. But you can fuss with it and do what you want. Anyway, so got these fender washers. This one's an old rusty one. I'll probably replace it, but for now I want to get my tester out and test to see what the voltage is. Looks like we are at the lake now. Phase 2. We're going to test out our contraption. But we have to watch out for the dreaded moss man, who tries to collect money for the moss, which no one agreed upon, but he thinks everyone owes him money because he treats the moss. Anyway, let's try this out. The moment of truth. I've hooked up the cables. Plus is white. I don't have a red one, but if you trace it and use common sense, you can figure that out. All right, here we go. I just saw it come on. Now I don't have my remote. I have to have a remote control with this, but it did beep. So I will be back with the remote. Alright, I have the remote. Moment of truth. This button. It's not working. Well, it is working because I can turn it. Now let's see. It's not coming on. There it goes. It is working. Awesome. Full charge. My connection is kind of not solid. Now try it. So I think I'll do a trial run next week, see how long it lasts. And I plan on doing a review of this Swing trolling motor I got off Amazon, 55 pounds rough. It's a 2-acre pond, so we'll see how this works and how it works with this 20-volt battery from the Dewalt and the step-down transformer from Amazon.